So for this particular job, I'm actually reusing the head bolts. You'll see me thoroughly clean out each one of the head bolt holes. Usually I will put a thread chaser down into those. The ones I have in this kit aren't long enough to actually reach down and bottom out in the hole. What happened to this car was early morning when it was really cold out, there's actually snow on the ground. The water pump froze and it made the timing belt tensioner actually break, and so the timing belt skipped a couple teeth and it bent all the valves. So the head you see me putting back on here is actually a junkyard head. We just pulled it off some random Civic. It actually also had a head gasket issue. That might be the problem why it ended up in the junkyard. But once I got it back home, tested all the valves, and they are all sealed up pretty well. There's one exhaust valve that's leaking just a tiny bit, but it shouldn't affect anything, and we probably won't even notice it. This car actually has 270,000 miles on it, so it's not really worth having the head gasket done at a mechanic, especially when they're charging $1,300 in my area to do this type of thing.
see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright. Can you see forever we will go? We are forever learning, one step at a time. As long as the world is turning, I'll be by your side. We'll keep the fire burning, I'll never see you hurt. You know I can't explain it in a way of words. We both know that you'll understand, and you'll see if you take my hand, and I'll go out of my own way for you, for you. I'll go out of my own way.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong, and I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Everything changes.
Life. Life.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare,
everything